All right, this is clear sight. You can see they are taking over our boats. It's happening live in here. We have them there taking over. As you can see, there's only one boat from us and the rest is them. So Israel is unlawfully taking over the boats. This is total unacceptable. And we are going forward as much as God will allow us to go. As you can see, 3 of them there, they're waiting as well. They are not ours. And yeah, the rest is all back in here. The action is happening here. The drones are here. Either way, love will win. Stay blessed. Ma salam.